The Golden Hypothesis of the Swamp of Secrets. Once upon a time, in a swampy forest filled with glowing mushrooms and whispering winds, there lived two unlikely friends. The wise teacher Tom Shrek, a big green ogre cat with a sly grin, and his eager student Jerry Donkey, a tiny donkey-mouse hybrid who was always scampering about with big ears flapping. Tom Shrek lived in a cluttered lair made of mud and gadgets, plotting lessons like elaborate schemes. Jerry Donkey, on the other hand, zipped around collecting shiny objects and snacks, but he had a heart full of curiosity. One sunny morning, Tom Shrek decided it was time for a special lesson. "Jerry Donkey, my little chatterbox," he growled with a hearty chuckle. "Today we're going on an adventure to learn about working with text data in science. It's like hunting for treasure in a messy swamp, full of facts, numbers, and stories." "First, let's talk about the science terms we'll need," Tom Shrek said. "Science is the study of the world around us. Data is information, especially facts or numbers. Quantitative data is numerical, like minutes or heights. Qualitative data is descriptive, like pass or fail." Jerry Donkey tilted his head. "Got it. So quantitative is like counting how many acorns I steal, and qualitative is like saying they're yummy or crunchy?" "Exactly," Tom Shrek smirked. "Now, let's imagine we're explorers in the swamp of secrets, searching for the golden hypothesis." As they ventured deeper, Tom Shrek explained, "Data is the clues we gather. But data can be tricky, easy in tables, but hidden in textual passages like vines in the mud. We use highlighting to mark data in advance." They reached a foggy clearing, and Tom Shrek pulled out a magical scroll, their scientific text. Before diving in, we skim, quickly review titles, introductions, and headings to grasp structure. Information that's only contextual might be irrelevant. We must vet to filter. Jerry Donkey practiced skimming a leaf scroll. Like this: Introduction to Data Analysis. Data is embedded in passages. Quantitative data, like minutes, is scanned and highlighted. Qualitative, like pass/fail, is identified. Tom Shrek grinned proudly. "Good. Now, let's explore the quarterly helmet review." Tom Shrek said. 3 helmets were evaluated in 6 tests: the impact test, retention test, roll-off test, shell test, faceplate test, and chin bar test. The Rock Titan was recommended for adequate performance. The Road Vigil had roll-off concerns, and the Formidas was not recommended due to chin bar failure. We vet this data to see what's relevant to choosing the best shield. Our adventure contrasts easy visuals with complex texts. Problem: finding info. Solution: vet data for relevance. Model: set a goal, filter out mismatches. Benefit: only relevant data remains for analysis. He outlined the steps like a path. As the sun set, Jerry Donkey beamed. "Thanks, Tom Shrek. This fable taught me how to hunt data like treasure. Vetting the good from the mud." The moral: in science's swamp, skim, scan, vet, and you'll find the golden truth.